Skydio 2 Q&A. Got that coming up next. The Skydio 2 has created incredible excitement in the drone world, the likes of which haven't been seen since DJI released its Mavic 2. How much excitement, you may ask? Well, this morning when I went out on Skydio's website, and in the panel where it has ordering information, it has up there, and I'm going to put this graphic up on the screen, this refundable $100 deposit will reserve your place in line for Skydio 2 Production Batch 3, which is expected to start shipping in Q2 2020 in the order in which reservations were placed. Limited quantities are available. They have sold out of Production Batch 2, and they are now taking orders for Production Batch 3. I did receive quite a few questions in the comments section regarding the Skydio 2, so I reached out to Skydio 2, and they were gracious enough to answer several of them. Now, what I did was I also combined them with a lot of the questions that you asked were already out on the FAQ section. So without any further ado, we're just going to go ahead and read the questions and answers here. Now, the first one, does the Skydio 2 have geofencing? Quote, no geofencing. Controller looks like the Parrot Anafi controller. What's that all about? We partnered with Parrot for our Skydio controller, and yes, it is the same hardware that comes with the Anafi. However, the controller is preloaded with Skydio software and is set up to be used exclusively with Skydio 2. It won't be compatible with the Anafi, nor will the Anafi controller be compatible with the Skydio 2. Is there precision landing? Yes, precision landing. You can return to phone, beacon, or return to launch point. Batteries are held in place by a magnet. Does that interfere with the GPS and compass? No, the magnet does not affect the signal. I live outside the US or Canada. Can I buy Skydio products? We currently only sell and ship to the US, excluding US territories and Canada, but plan to expand to other countries soon. Skydio 2 is not currently certified for use outside of the US and Canada. What comes with my Skydio 2? Does it come with a case too? One battery, 2 additional propellers, one of each type beyond the 4 required, one USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer, and one USB Type-C wall adapter for charging. This all comes in a convenient, custom-fit, durable hard shell carrying case for transport. How much will Skydio accessories cost? Controller will be sold for $149. Beacon will be sold for $149. Each Skydio battery will be sold for $99 each. Each Skydio propeller sets will be sold for $24 each. Are Skydio 2 or the accessories waterproof? No. We recommend caution when flying over water. Beacon can be easily protected with third-party water sports cases or straps, much in the same way you would protect a non-waterproof phone. What is Skydio 2's top speed? 36 miles per hour, either in fully autonomous or manual control modes. What is Skydio 2's flight time? 23 minutes on a single battery. What are Skydio 2's camera specifications? The Skydio 2 camera is based around a Sony IMX577 1/2.3 inch 12.3 megapixel CMOS sensor and is capable of filming in 4K 60 with 13 stops of dynamic range. Can I use an ND filter on the main camera lens of Skydio 2? The bezel of the main camera was designed to support ND filters. We're working on a solution for this and will hopefully have something available in the near future. Will there be a charging dock to charge more than one battery at a time? In the near future, Skydio will be offering a charging dock that is capable of simultaneously charging 2 batteries. And that depends on wattage and battery rate. Will you be able to live stream to social media? No official answer from Skydio, but in the specifications for the controller it states live streaming resolution 720p. How do I contact Skydio support? By email at help@skydio.com or call us at 855-463-5902 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Time, Monday to Friday. Question of the day. Have you pre-ordered a Skydio 2? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.